How y'all doing? I'm Chris Egnoto, and I just learned I can talk to beavers. Check it out. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, mm. Okay, so I'll give you a little bit of a backstory. It's 4th of July. I don't really have much of a social life, so I decided to head out here, and I've been here all day, 90 degrees, and there wasn't really much going on, so I found this big field and hung out because there was a storm rolling in. It got pretty windy, the clouds were spectacular, not a lot of rain, but it was very nice. And after that, I decided to just lay down for like 30 minutes and just relax with the breeze and everything. After that, I decided to wander around, and barefoot makes you quieter. And I hear this noise. So, some rustling and stuff. And so I start making this noise. Mm, mm. And that's what happened. So I started doing it some more, and sure enough, a pair of beavers comes right up to me. And we were making the noises back and forth and all. There was one point where I stumbled with the camera, trying to film with this one, and it alarmed the one beaver, slapped the water with its tail, to display a little bit of agitation and alarm. I wonder if they're putting their musk on top of that mound. I know that stuff used to go for some really good money, and it still does. There's this little mound that they go up to and they mark their territory, similar to hippopotamuses, although they don't do the tail thing. They do stuff with their back feet and kind of mush it in, but it's very noisy. So they spend a lot of time feeding on these lily pads, and it's a lot of crunching, and but every now and then they bring back some handfuls of mud and roots and debris, and they pack this little mound here. Now, when I was first watching them, they were sort of pooping on it, I think. But I don't know. I think they were marking their territory, but maybe it was just the mud and stuff. It was awfully noisy, sounding like a kid's gimmick almost. It was that exaggerated. But this is awesome. They don't really care that I'm here. Uh, Once I made the noises and everything, they seemed very fine with me. Before that, they were rather trepidatious. This is. Keep sneezing. Probably water in the nose. Obviously, I know I'm not speaking to beavers, but I observed them when I first got here, and then they left. And when I started making the calls, they came right back. And at first, when they saw me, they were nervous, and then when they see me make the calls, they seem to be comfortable with me now. And almost any time I make the call, they just do one back and continue feeding. This is so much fun. The deer flies and mosquitoes are kicking my butt right now, but it's so worth it. Okay, it's enough of that for now. Um, this was super fun for me. Now I gotta head a couple miles in that direction in hopes to find the night jars, specifically the night hawks, for another video I'm working on. But hope you guys had a lot of fun watching this. I had a blast, so Anyways, Chris Egnoto, I'll see you in the next video.